Hi everyone, welcome to myTectra. Today we are going to see who can able to do AEM training. It's an interesting question. So before we actually get into who can able to do AEM, let's understand what is AEM. AEM stands for Adobe Experience Manager. Basically, it's a content management tool. You can call it as an enterprise level content management tool. Many of us have heard of content management systems. The simplest content management system is WordPress. Many of us heard of WordPress. I hope you would have heard of WordPress. WordPress is a very simple content management system which is used to develop web applications or a website in a quick turnaround time. And especially a small web application or a small scale website can be developed using WordPress. Let's talk about a large company requirement where they have thousands of pages, thousands of images, hundreds of videos, and there are multi-country requirements, multi-language requirements. To meet these requirements, you need an enterprise level content management system which could be highly scalable, highly secured, and that is where AEM comes into picture. AEM basically an enterprise level content management systems used by medium and large scale companies to meet their project requirements. So I hope you understand what is AEM. So let's talk about who can able to do AEM training. In fact, anyone can move into AEM. So the prerequisite for doing an AEM training is you need to know core Java, bit of HTML, bit of CSS, bit of JavaScript. So core Java is a prerequisite. So core Java is a must. So you don't really have to be a strong, you don't really have to be a strong Java developer to get into AEM. It's just that you need to know only core Java, fundamental of core Java. So you need to be good at say variables, arrays, loops, control statements, class, objects, methods, inheritance, polymorphisms, interfaces, exception handling, threading. These are all the concepts you need to be good at it. If you don't know, it is fine. You can directly jump into our AEM batches. If you do not know core Java, we offer a custom training specifically designed for AEM. So we offer about 15 hours of custom training specifically designed for AEM. You can undergo the custom training for Java, then you can jump into AEM batches. So our AEM training typically takes about 40 hours of sessions. We deliver 2 to 2.5 months training, which we call it as a regular batch. We do have custom trainings. We can able to customize the durations and we can able to customize the number of hours per day. And and this training being delivered by highly working professionals who are actually working in the industry as a AEM developer, who has at least about 7 years of relevant experience in AEM and who has a very good teaching experience. So this training gives you a practical experience and with a real-time projects, and by the time you complete the trainings, you will have the confidence wherein you can work independently on any AEM projects. So why you should move into AEM? AEM offers a great career opportunities right now. It will continue to grow, and if you are already into Java, or already if you know Java, you can directly jump into AEM. It offers a great career opportunity for you, and better career growth in terms of package. When you are moving into AEM, any web developer also can move into AEM. They could be a PHP developer, or could be any Python developer, or they can able to move into AEM. Any UI developer, those who are looking for a backend development, they can also move into AEM. A software tester who knows Java, they can also move into AEM. In fact, anyone can move into AEM, and today it offers better package compared to many other niche technologies in the industry. We see there are more requirements and then the kind of skill sets available, skilled people are available in the market. So this is a right moment, for the people who want to jump into AEM. And so I can call it as you will have an advantage as an early entrant. Maybe, down the line, maybe 2 years, 3 years down the line, you will have more developers for AEM. And also AEM can be a long-term career opportunities. It is not a technology where company invest and then just throws off and move to a different technology, in a shorter time. Basically, it's a huge investment. Any company move into AEM, they continue to be in AEM, they continue to invest in AEM, they continue to enhance AEM, so they require resources. So that is why we see, somebody looking for a long-term stable career and a high growth, AEM could be a potential, technologist. So if you are looking for AEM, courses, please reach out to us. We are here to help you, and we will fulfill your requirement on AEM. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe our channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.